students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Yes students, today we'll start with our chapter 4 Microsoft Excel 2007 and this is our session 1. Yes. Under Excel 2007 we are going to discuss about introduction, parts of Excel sheet, how to create new Excel sheet, how to zoom in and zoom out, how to scroll horizontally in a worksheet, how to change the page views and have a quick recall. Okay students, ready to listen? Right. First, what is an Excel? Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program. For example, we will do all our calculation on paper, right? Whereas here, every calculation, every storing, everything we are going to handle only in the computer. So that's why we say it is an Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program. For what is it used? For storing, organizing and manipulating data. Storing, yes, we are going to save the data in the Excel. Organizing, to keeping in an order. Organizing means to keep in an order. And manipulating. What do you mean manipulation? For example, what are the calculation we do in maths? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, minimize, maximize, etc. So these are called as manipulating data which we perform in the Excel. Clear? So what is an Excel is used for? Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program that is used for storing, organizing and manipulating data. How the data are stored? Data are stored in individual cells. That is, when we see the screen of the Excel, we'll have a clear idea. It contains columns and rows. How it will be? It will contain columns and rows. It will be like box. Yes, it has a column and it has a row. I hope you're clear with what is row and what is column, right? Next, collection of this row and column is called as a table. For example, when we draw a timetable, why is a table? Because it has a rows and actual column. So that's why we say it as a table. Clear for you? So all this collection of rows and columns together, it is called as a table. So for what we use Excel? We can use Excel for performing calculation. How this calculation is done? By using formulas. Right? So in maths we have many formulas. Same formula is applied in Excel to make our job easier, to make our work easier and quick. So Excel is a spreadsheet that is used for storing, organizing and manipulating data. It contains rows and columns and this rows and columns of collection is called as a table. Clear for you students? Yes, right. Next we come to the parts of Excel sheet. Now can you view how this Excel will look like? Yes. See, first the top, the round button is called as an Office button, Microsoft Office button. Next button is Quick Access Toolbar. The whole red color which I have revolved is called as the ribbon menu. And then in middle can you find the box, cells. At the top can you find A, B, C, D, G, H, it goes on. Yes, from the top to bottom can you see 1, 2, 3. From left to right can you see A, B, C. Yes. So this is called as a column. A, B, C or B represent as a column and 1, 2, 3 these represent as a rows. So this collection is totally called as the table, right? We say it is a workbook also. Clear? So are you clear with the 4 parts? Microsoft Office button, Quick Access Toolbar, Microsoft Office ribbon menu and then table. Clear students? How to create a new Excel sheet? Yes, it is always the same process. First click the Office button. In that you select New. A new workbook dialog box will appear. In that you can click Create. A new blank workbook appears. So you have to click Office button. In that you have to select New and then click Create. A new blank workbook will appear. Yes, clear students? Next comes how to zoom in and zoom out. Right? So there are 2 pictures, up and down. See the first picture I have highlighted which is called as a zoom bar. Can you see? Yes. In the zoom bar there is a small strip like, that is a small line. Can you see in that middle? Yes. That is called as a slider. What is it called? Slider. S-L-I-D-E-R. Slider. Yes. When you click on that slider and if you move left it will zoom in. That is, it will compress. Cells will look smaller. When you move it to the right, yes, when you take it outside, it will become bigger boxes. Can you see the second picture? It will be enlarged like this, right? Compress and decompress. Can you see? So when you move the slider left, it will zoom in. When you move the slider right, it will zoom out. Clear? So this is how zoom in and zoom out. Yes, now listen to this, how to zoom in and zoom out. Locate the zoom bar in the bottom right corner. Where is the zoom bar? In the bottom right corner. Left click the slider. Click on the slider, drag it to the left to zoom in, right to zoom out. I hope you are very clear with this. Next, how to scroll horizontally in the worksheet. Is how to scroll horizontally in the worksheet. As usual, where the zoom bar, there itself only the scroll bar is also available. Left click the horizontal scroll bar in the bottom right corner. Left click the bar and move it to left and right. You can move the scroll bar left and right. Yes. Now can you see the scroll bar? Where it is? So if you move to the left and you can right and you can see the screen clearly. Next, page views. So listen, this is also in the bottom right corner only, this page view tab also. In this there are three options. Keep it in your mind, there are three options in page views. One is normal page view, next is page layout, third one is page break. Normal, page layout, page break. The default, always whenever you open the screen of the Excel, it appears in the normal view. So dash is the default view, normal view. Clear for you? Yes. So listen, there are three views available in the page views: normal, page layout, page break. Yes. Now you can see in this three in the picture. Can you identify the three things which are highlighted in page views? Right. So first one indicates normal, second one indicates page layout, third one indicates page break. Yes. We will see in detail about this in future class. Clear? So for now you understand what are the three page views: normal, page layout, page break. Which is the default view? Normal view. Clear, students? Yes, students, we can have a quick recall. So we know what is the Excel is. It is an electronic spreadsheet used for storing, organizing and manipulating data. How to create a new workbook? You have three steps, right? You have a quick recall when you go inside it. And how to zoom in and zoom out, how to scroll horizontally in Excel workbook, and how to steps to change the page views. I hope you are very clear with the today's topic. Isn't it, students? Right. Hey students, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you.